Again, welcome you to Mahanadi Times. Now we are in Rani Mahal. As you see this, after renovations, the Rani Mahal look like this. Now the government of India, with the 100% support of Odisha State Tourism Development Corporation and Government of Odisha, this has been developed and the work is in progress. As you know, there is programs of Amantran started and launched by our Tourism Department of Odisha. Under this project, this Rani Mahal has been developed for the tourism purpose, and as you all know that this area come under the Samlai project, and under that Samlai project government has sanctioned 200 crores for the development of this area, for which the tourist will come, and the tourist will, by staying this in this Amantran restaurant, they will enjoy the sightseeing and also will enjoy all this ancient place. Our government now going to give a new shape to this Rani Mahal for the tourist, and after completion of this Rani Mahal, this will be having a new shape and attracted the tourist, as they will all come to this Sambalpur Samleshwari temple. You see the work is going on, very rapidly going on, and one company from Delhi has taken over the construction work, renovation work of this Rani Mahal. You see how these peoples are working here and beautify this Rani Mahal. And under the Odisha Tourism Government, Tourism Development Corporations, this will be a restaurant developed by our government for the tourist, and after that this will be more beautified. But some people opposing this particular project without having any knowledge that the sanctity of this Rani Mahal become lowered down. But after having this development of this Rani Mahal into the Amantran program of tourism department, this will be more beautified and it will be a new shape, new looks, and we hope after completion of this work, this Rani Mahal become truly a Rani Mahal and attract the tourist more. This will be the reception center. After completion of this will be a reception center. Through this the tourists will come and they will stay here and enjoy the Rani Mahal more than ever. Thank you very much.